Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best men's toiletry bags that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Royce Leather Travel Toiletry Wash Bag. If you're looking for a large toiletry bag to quickly throw all your bits and pieces into, the Royce Leather Travel Toiletry Wash Bag may be the ideal purchase. Measuring 10.25 inches by 6.25 inches by 4 inches, it's a little larger than a lot of the men's toiletry bags featured in this list with a similar design, and there's just one large internal compartment, with nothing on the outside. This means that if organization is your thing, this may not be the right toiletry bag for you. However, if you're looking for something simple yet stylish, it may be the one. It's made with smooth leather with a waterproof and stain-resistant finish on both the exterior and the interior, meaning it's not only durable but also extremely easy to clean, even though it's obviously not machine washable. Despite its minimalistic design, the Royce Leather Travel Toiletry Wash Bag features a leather loop at one end, which can be used to easily hang it from a hook. Lastly, it comes in a choice of 2 colors, tan and black, as well as a 1-year warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Victorinox Unisex Werks Traveler 6.0 Toiletry Kit. The Victorinox Unisex Werks Traveler 6.0 Toiletry Kit is made with 600D ballistic nylon, which is both abrasion-proof and water-resistant, as well as durable and lightweight. Plus, it's machine washable. It measures 10.5 inches by 3 inches by 6.5 inches, so it's big enough to fit all of your essentials. It has an impressive amount of storage compartments in total. 1 large double-zippered main compartment with 4 elastic bands along one side to secure items, 1 internal mesh side pocket, 1 zippered side pocket with 2 internal mesh compartments, and a front slip compartment. There's also a material loop at one end that makes it possible to hang the bag on a hook easily, and it's worth noting that the zips are all metal, which is more durable than plastic. Lastly, the Victorinox Unisex Werks Traveler 6.0 Toiletry Kit comes with a 10-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Bellroy Toiletry Bag. The Bellroy Toiletry Bag is made with woven nylon fabric, which makes it not only water-resistant but also durable. Plus, it's machine washable. It measures 9 inches by 3.2 inches by 5.1 inches, so it's big enough to fit all of your essentials. It has 1 large main zippered compartment, and within that, another 2 side compartments. There's also a waterproof side pocket with a magnetic closure to keep a toothbrush in. It's a fairly simple and minimalistic design, but it's ideal for those who like to just throw their toiletries into their bag and go. A material loop at one end makes it possible to hang the bag on a hook easily, but there's no separate carrying handle. It's also worth mentioning that the zips on this toiletry bag are metal, which is more durable than plastic. Lastly, the Bellroy Toiletry Bag comes in a choice of 3 colors, black, charcoal, and marine blue, as well as with a 3-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Briggs & Riley Toiletry Kit. If you're looking for a large-sized, durable toiletry bag with multiple compartments, the Briggs & Riley Toiletry Kit could be ideal. Moreover, it's been designed with style in mind, with the company stating it's perfect for executives on the go. Measuring 11.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 4.5 inches, it's slightly larger than most of the other toiletry bags featured in this list, so it's definitely big enough to fit all of your essentials, and more. It has a large U-shaped opening that provides easy access to the large main compartment, which also has a mesh compartment underneath the lid. There are also 2 zippered side pockets, as well as an additional zippered top compartment. It's made with black 1680D ballistic nylon. Outer fabric resists wear, water, dirt and abrasion, and there's water-resistant material lining the inside of all the compartments. This toiletry bag doesn't feature a hook to make hanging it easy, but there is a convenient carrying handle at the top. Furthermore, there are rubber feet to keep it lifted off wet surfaces, as well as to increase sturdiness. It's also worth mentioning that the zips on this toiletry bag are metal, which is more durable than plastic. And finally at number 1, we have the Harley Davidson Leather Toiletry Kit. If you're looking for a durable toiletry bag and you love motorbikes, you may want to consider the Harley Davidson Leather Toiletry Kit. Measuring 11 inches by 5.5 inches by 4.5 inches, it's fairly large, so it will definitely be big enough to fit all of your essentials. There's one single storage compartment with a zipper and a reinforced frame, as well as interior wall pockets and an additional zippered wall compartment. It's made with deluxe top grain leather that resists wear, rips, and water, and there's water-resistant material lining the inside of the compartment that features a Harley-Davidson map print. There's an easy grip leather side handle that makes it easy to carry, but it's too big to be used to hang the bag on a small bathroom hook. It's also worth mentioning that the zips on this toiletry bag are metal, which is more durable than plastic. Lastly, the Harley-Davidson Leather Toiletry Kit comes in a choice of 4 colors: black, gray, acid wash gray, and brown, as well as with a lifetime warranty against any defects.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.